is Tanmay Banerjee. Once again, welcome back to Easy Learning Art with Tanmay. Friends, today in this video, I am going to unbox some art materials which I have procured recently from Amazon. So I'm very excited. I don't know what other materials have come to me, but let us see. Let us see. Stay tuned in this video and don't skip the video till the end. I'm going to show you one of the items I have recently purchased from Amazon and what are they? Hello friends, I'm going to unbox these boxes. This is the first box which I'm going to unbox. Let us see what is there inside this box. Oh ho ho ho! I have got these pencils from Faber-Castell. I have got these pencils for drawing like 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 8B. And I paid only 50 rupees for this. Our next item. I have got these pencils. These all are glass marking pencils, different colors from Apsara. And this is the third item. Oh ho 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 ho! I just love it. I just love it. This is 12 graded pencil: 8B, 7B, 6B, 5B, 4B, 3B, 2B, B, HB, F, H, 2H. So this is superior quality black lead pencils, and it is from a different company. It's a new company. So I paid 749 for this. You can see the price is mentioned here. So the name of the company is Katsu. Katsu. It is written here, Katsu. So friends, that's it for today. I have received these three items from Amazon, and let me tell you, my experience with Amazon is amazing, just amazing. It is better than Flipkart for sure. Okay, they have delivered the items very quickly, and everything is intact, so there is no problem with the items. And I have received all pencils. So in coming days, you are going to see my sketch videos, my pencil drawing videos on Easy Learning Art with Tanmay for sure. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.